All right, so welcome to Module 5. For me, you should get two big takeaways from this class. Number one is that purpose drives writing. Number two is that writing is never a once and done thing. The first one is what underwrites everything we do in this course. You write in order to be read, and people read what you are writing because they expect your writing to say something significant. So you must be aware of the purpose you're promoting, and your purpose must be broadcast through every part of your writing in order to be effective. This week, you'll be formalizing a real draft of your analysis essay, and that's what this is all about. You'll lean into the structure of the essay and use that to make changes which improve what you began with your writing plan. The plan was developed by responding to individual prompts, so they tend to read like loosely connected paragraphs. This week, you need to bind the paragraphs so that they work together cohesively. Here's a metaphor for you. Think of those prompt responses as being each being a person that you have hired to work for you. Each of those individuals has been working to do an isolated job. Now, you want those talented individuals to work together as a team with one end objective. To do this, you'll engage in the process of revision. And this brings me to the second takeaway. Writing is a process, not an event. This depends on a really simple formula, and it's one you should quickly recognize the truth of. The more work you put into something, the better you can make it and the better you can be at it. All right, it's just straightforward. It makes common sense. If you go to YouTube and find a video showing you how to make an origami butterfly, the first time you try to follow the instructions, it is very likely that things will come out less than perfect. If you sit down every day for a week and give it a try consistently, you can learn from your previous mistakes and find out the parts of the process that you more regularly succeed at. A week later, your butterfly will be very superior to the one you crafted on day one. Things get better with practice. Effort and attention are the key to making that work. Many of you probably played sports when you were in high school, or maybe you still do. And you learn these lessons in regard to improving your competitive edge. Take those lessons and apply them to your writing. So this week, you will be revising the plan into a full draft for the analysis essay. You are also writing a reflective essay on the process of revising. These are two distinct writing assignments. In the draft, you are actually working to improve the structure and effectiveness of your essay. In the reflection, you are showing me the thinking process behind your approach to engaging in the process of revising. All right. So you're just kind of stepping back from the actual doing and thinking about ways to describe what you're doing and what's motivating you to make the changes that you're making. All right. And MindEdge has some clear, direct prompts for you to think about in doing that. All right. So there's also a temperature check, which again is just a kind of a quiz at the end of the module. Go ahead and do that. That's strictly on MindEdge. All right. So that's it for this week. Work on that. I'll be posting some hopefully helpful hints for dealing with different segments of the paper during the week. If you have questions on anything as this moves forward, by all means, let me know as usual. All right. Everybody have a lovely day. And for now, adios.